thought that the egg hair mask was smelly, let me tell you something. You haven't put onions on your hair.
Here's how much hair I lost in the shower on day 1, and this is how much hair I lost in the shower on day 7 after applying onion juice on my hair for 7 days without using shampoo. This is the onion juice treatment that we will be applying for the next few days, so please check the description of this video to learn how to make this onion treatment.
Don't forget to share some love to this girl by liking this video, and let's get smelly.
Here I am on day 1, ready to marinate my hair with onion juice. So every day you're gonna start off by detangling your hair pretty well. Right after that, you're going to split your hair in 2 main sections to make application a little bit more easy.
So here is my onion juice. Cheers!
Remember, from each onion juice batch that you make, you're only gonna use half of a cup of onion juice on each application.
Right after that, I'm going to put this half a cup of onion juice and this squeeze bottle so that I can start the application. No, it smells so bad. Oh.
You're always gonna focus most of the onion juice application on your scalp. So begin by soaking one section of your scalp first.
What's happening?
And then continue the application to the other part of your scalp in this exact way.
So far, it's not so bad. We'll see. I already got onion juice on my eye. It stung a little bit, but it went away. My eye is fine.
Once your scalp is completely covered in onion juice, make sure to massage a little bit with your fingertips so that you can stimulate more blood flow to the area. By the way, if you end up with some onion juice leftovers, you can pour them on the rest of your hair if you want to. Once you're done with the application, put your hair in a bun and then cover your head with a plastic bag. Now you're going to set your timer for 1 hour to allow the onion juice to be absorbed in your scalp. And when time is up,
I'm just gonna take this off of my hair. I smell like a burrito.
rinse the onion juice out of your hair in the shower only using cool water.
Okay.
Right after showering, you can apply a hair serum or a light oil such as almond oil or argan oil on the ends of your hair to recover some hydration. And as a part of this challenge, we're only gonna allow our hair to dry naturally.
Right. This is weird. I feel like a lot of you are staring at me really hard and saying like, she must be so stinky right now. And you're right. Hey guys, it is day 2. What's that smell? Yeah, definitely it's my hair. Yay!
No! God, please, no!
Oh yeah, despite how smelly my hair is right now, oh boy, I cannot believe that only took one application of onion juice on my hair to literally remove all the dandruff and itchiness that I had yesterday. It's quite impressive to see how clean my scalp is at this moment.
1 hour later.
The smell going everywhere. Hopefully I'll get to see you tomorrow. Bye. So cold today. I asked my husband, do I smell like onions? And he said, yes, lovely onions. This is my hair right now. Yes, you own that hair. Doro, you own that hair.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's only been 3 days using this onion juice treatment on my hair, and so far I cannot stand my hair. But I'm already seeing positive changes in the texture of my hair. As you can see, my hair shines bright like a diamond.
This is sick. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna add.
And it's quite soft, and also it started to feel a little bit more heavier at this point. Also on this day, the amount of hair that I lost during application and after showering is quite small compared to the previous days, so let's just say that it's smelling pretty promising.
And that will be it for day 3, so hopefully I'll get to see you tomorrow. At this point, you bother the smell. The smell doesn't bother you. In fact, alright guys, so here is my new batch of onion juice. It's quite fresh. You started to enjoy the process. drying the onion juice with my own hair. That's the way to go.
Anyways, after I was done applying the onion juice on my scalp and hair for the day, I noticed that I actually lost a little bit more hair during my shower compared to yesterday where I barely lost hair. If you don't know, it is super normal to lose up to 150 strands of hair a day. Some days you will lose more, other days will be less. As long as you don't pull a handful of hair or go over this number every day, you'll be fine.
Hi guys, it is day 5. Here I have my onion juice and we're gonna start application now. This is how shiny my hair is. I haven't seen any dandruff, my scalp doesn't itch. You guys can see that my scalp is not even greasy, it just looks quite healthy. I noticed that on process when your hair is getting dry, the smell of the onions is quite strong. If I touch my hair, for example, I notice that my hands already have that slight smell of onions. So you should definitely braid your hair during these days so that you don't get your hair on your face. I know it's a little bit hard to forget about the smell, I know. Let's just embrace the process, okay? I will see you in a few minutes in the bathroom. Bye! Especially today, I had the hardest time detangling my hair. Like I never experienced this much tangles in a very long time.
A few moments later.
If we think about it, this has nothing to do with onion. It is related to the fact that the onion treatment has honey. You know, honey, sticky, 1 + 1. 1. Even though the smell has gotten worse. Oh yeah. It's just my hair looks so revived. It talks at the same time when I'm talking. Look, it's talking. Every time you apply a little bit on your scalp, do this so the onion juice can penetrate in your scalp and your hair. I just forgot the plastic bag again. Today, I will be washing my hair with shampoo. Fireworks, please? No.
Alright, so during this entire days, my scalp never itched or developed dandruff. It always felt very clean, but remember
The smell.
about my hair results, you can see that my hair during this entire onion treatment never looked frizzy or dry at all.
6.5 hours later.
In fact, this is how my hair looked at the end. Insanely shiny, soft, and very strong from the roots to the ends. And if I run my fingers through my hair, there's no excessive hair shedding. And here's how we bust the myth about applying onions on hair.
My hair hasn't changed color. In fact, my hair looks even darker. What about the effectiveness of onions in reducing hair loss in 1 week?
Throughout this entire week, you saw that I took pictures of the amount of hair shedding that I experienced during this onion treatment. And when I was comparing the pictures of day 1 to day 7, I was shocked to see that I experienced way less hair loss at the end of the week.
This works. Let me just warn you that the smell of onions, if you try it in this way, will stay in your hair even after you pre-rinse and shampoo. So if at this point you have decided to try this despite all the warnings, I like you. Share some love to this girl by subscribing to this channel if you haven't yet. Love you all. Pura vida.